You meet someone new. You want to speak English, but your mind goes blank.
What do you say first? What do you say next?
Today on Mastery. In English, we will teach you what to say when you meet someone for the first time.
Simple English, real life, easy speaking.
Henry, meeting new people is exciting, but it is also scary for many learners.
Yes, Emma. Many people say, I know English words, but I don't know how to start.
That is very common. Very normal.
Today we will fix this problem.
Yes, step by step, slow and easy.
Let's imagine a real situation.
You meet someone for the first time, maybe at work, maybe at school, maybe at a party.
Or on the street, or in a shop.
The first moment is very important.
Very important. Because first words make the first impression.
Let's start with the first sentence. When you meet someone new, you start with a greeting.
A greeting is saying hello. It is the first word.
The easiest greeting is, hi.
Or you can say, hello.
Let's repeat.
Hi.
Hello. These are polite and friendly.
You can use them anywhere. Work, school, street.
After hi or hello, you can add one more sentence.
This sentence shows friendliness.
You can say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you is very important.
It shows respect.
It shows you are happy to meet the person.
Let's repeat together.
Nice to meet you.
Again.
Nice to meet you.
Very good.
You can also say, nice to meet you too.
This is when the other person says it first.
Example.
I say, nice to meet you.
I say, nice to meet you too.
Simple. Remember this sentence. You can use it in real life.
After greeting, you say your name.
This is very important. Your name comes early.
You can say, my name is Emma.
Or, I'm Emma.
Both are correct.
I'm means I am. Mini explanation.
Short form is very common in speaking.
Let's practice.
My name is Henry.
I'm Emma.
Good.
You can also ask the other person's name.
You say, what is your name?
Or shorter. What's your name?
What's means what is.
Mini explanation. Native speakers use short forms.
Let's repeat. What's your name?
Many English learners feel shy.
This is normal.
Everyone feels nervous at first. You're not alone. When someone tells you their name, you respond politely.
You can say,
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Using the name is friendly.
it shows attention.
Example.
You say, I'm Emma.
I say, nice to meet you, Emma.
Perfect. This line is very important. Many people use it every day. After names, we ask how the person is.
This is very common in English.
You can say, how are you?
Simple and polite.
Let's repeat.
How are you?
Good.
There's also, how are you doing?
This means the same thing.
Mini explanation. Same meaning, different words.
Beginners can use, how are you?
Easy.
Say it slowly. Use it again and again. Now let's answer.
Common answers are short.
You can say, I'm fine,
Or, I'm good.
or I'm okay.
These are all positive.
Mini explanation. They show you are well.
You can add, thank you.
Example, I'm fine, thank you.
Let's repeat.
I'm fine, thank you.
Good.
You should ask back.
Very important.
You say, and you?
Short and polite.
Let's repeat.
And you?
After greetings, we make small talk.
Small talk means light conversation.
Not deep, not serious.
Easy topics.
One easy topic is place.
You can ask, where are you from?
Very common question.
Let's repeat.
Where are you from?
Wait, this next sentence helps you a lot.
Many people forget this part, but it is very useful. You answer with your country or city.
Example, I'm from New York.
Or, I'm from London.
Short and clear. Mini explanation.
From shows origin.
Let's repeat.
I'm from New York.
Good.
Making mistakes is okay. This is how we learn.
Confidence comes with practice. Small steps help.
Another safe topic is work or study.
You can ask, what do you do?
This means job or study.
Mini explanation.
Let's repeat.
What do you do?
Good.
You can say, I'm a student.
Or, I work in an office.
Or, I'm a teacher.
Simple sentences.
No long details.
Mini explanation. Keep it short for first meeting. After they answer, show interest.
You can say, oh, that's interesting.
Or, that sounds nice.
Polite reactions.
Let's repeat.
That's interesting.
Good.
You can also talk about the situation.
Example. Is this your first time here?
Very natural question.
Let's repeat.
Is this your first time here? Remember, Emma, first meetings should be simple.
Yes. Not long. Not personal.
Short sentences are best.
Clear sentences are best.
Now let's end the conversation.
Ending is important too.
You can say, "It was nice meeting you."
Very polite.
Let's repeat.
It was nice meeting you.
Good.
You can also say, see you later.
Or, have a nice day.
Friendly endings.
Emma, let's do a full example.
Yes, slow and natural.
Hi,
Hello,
I'm Henry. Nice to meet you.
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a student.
That's interesting.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Have a nice day. Meeting people is a skill.
Practice makes it easy. Use these sentences again and again. Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Don't be afraid.
If you want to speak English with confidence, practice with us.
Subscribe to Mastery in English. We help beginners every day.
Like this video and write one sentence in the comments.
We will read your comment. See you next time.